Hello! So, we're going to do another little experiment concerning population rates of monkeys and apes worldwide. So here's our little factoid again, that over half of all monkeys and apes in the world are at risk of going extinct. No bueno. So what we're gonna do is leave this fact here, but I'm gonna walk around in my neighborhood in New York and see how many people over the course of the next maybe 9 minutes stop me to talk about this monkey on my back. Because literally, how much more literal and large can you get? So we're gonna do it. Here we go. And we go.
Idea. Look.
Hey. Oh man, we're gonna have a collision here. We gotta cross the street. I wanna hit the baby.
Jump.
We'll just, we'll wait here for a second. There's so much hair on the monkey. These people are looking at us in the construction site. Hello.
Go.
Don't hit the monkey, don't hit the monkey. Don't hit the monkey.
On that woman's back.
He was like, what's that? He was like, that's a giant monkey on that woman's back.
It'd be interesting if you did it at a spot where you had to stop like a street corner and see if people comment. Like, because now we're stopped instead of walking.
Okay, let's see if anyone comes in.
Do you know what I mean? So when people actually have to cross the street, will that spur conversation?
Maybe.
It might.
It might. It just might. Oh, there's a puppy. People are making it.
Like great, like it went all that.
Literally, no one cares.
So crazy.
That was maybe the biggest swarm of people I've ever seen. Did
And-
one person care? No.
Nope.
Absolutely not.
Nope.
So, that's fine. I'm not upset. I'm just upset for the monkeys.
Makes one a meal then.
How many minutes are we at?
4:48.
All right, people. Well, 5 minutes to go, and still He smiled at us. That's nice.
Want to do a corner again? Let's see if it's not.
Clearly, no one
Let's
at
see.
the
Well,
corner
let's see. But
cared.
let's see. Maybe 7th Avenue was too daunting.
We can't.
It's up to you. Your experiment.
Oh, both of these cars are turning. They're the exact same car. Hello. Aw, people are smiling. That woman in the car just made direct eye contact with me and was like, mm.
Really?
Yeah, she was not having it. She was like, no, thank you.
That's funny.
Absolutely not. I was like, okay.
She probably thinks she lost some kind of a bet.
Probably.
Like candy?
Should I try to go into a really small shop and be like, sorry, excuse me? A really nice, expensive store.
Right. Go into your candy store over here.
Oh my god, my favorite place in the whole world.
You could.
See how big it is. I don't really know if I need candy. I also don't know how I'd do it with my hands. Like that might be another experiment altogether. I think that's a journey for another time. He looked, didn't say hi. Rude.
We don't know what that's like. And it was like this whole thing where and then they both had to go back.
Those people thought I was crazy. Which I'm not, clearly. Oh my god.
I never wear perfume in this building.
I like when people pretend like they don't even see it.
Yeah, some people are like,
It's like
what?
it's
No.
like it's like, oh yeah, I see that all every day.
People don't even care. It's too information overload. There's too much happening. No one cares anymore. And that's the sad truth.
It is. All right, you want to head back? You
I
are.
suppose we'll go
it's
back.
8 minutes.
Let's go back.
Okay.
Although we don't have any friends on that street.
Huh?
There's not really anyone on that street. We'll cross and go back the other way.
Okay. This side's easier to walk on, isn't it? Which, okay.
That's so fun. The mom was like, what? But then the kid smiled, so she was like, okay, you seem happy, so I'm happy.
Right.
Oh my gosh, when you look at a sale ad instead of a movie. Literally look at this.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh.
Much better reaction on this side of the street. People are happier on this side of the street.
People are, yeah, you know what?
Definitely a better vibe.
People definitely like it.
Right? Absolutely.
The kids are like, you see that, right?
Yeah, the dad was like, there was a monkey. It's like, really? Okay. Good, thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad.
Captain Obvious.
Oh god.
Okay, wait. That was Paul's.
How many minutes are we at?
10:14.
All right, everyone, listen. Hold on before we sign off. I feel as though with some edits, this could be very successful. But truly, people were not as shocked as I thought they would be. Okay, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.